Are you looking vacuum cleaner deal on this Black Friday? If yes, this video is only for you, where we will be sharing the Dyson V8 cordless stick vacuum cleaner deal for 2018. You can save $50 on Dyson V8 cordless stick vacuum cleaner. How can I get the Black Friday Dyson V8 cordless stick vacuum cleaner deal? You can check Black Friday Dyson V8 cordless stick vacuum cleaner deal from the description link and subscribe our channel. Cord-free, hassle-free, powerful suction, washable lifetime filter. The Dyson Digital Motor V8 and engineered to pick up ground dirt and fine dust from hard floors and carpets. Up to 40 minutes runtime when using a non-motorized tool, 150% more brush bar power than the Dyson V8 cordless vacuum. Don't miss out the deal. Check out the description link for Dyson V8 cordless stick vacuum cleaner discount. And don't forget to subscribe our channel for upcoming Black Friday deals and offers.